Goldman Sachs, a titan of Wall Street, faces a storm that could redefine its future and potentially trigger a broader financial crisis. For over a century, Goldman Sachs has navigated complex financial waters. But current market trends and economic indicators present unprecedented challenges. We're going to break down exactly why this financial giant might be on the brink and what it could mean for you. The core of the potential crisis lies in the interplay of several critical factors. Firstly, consider the aggressive pace of global interest rate hikes intended to combat inflation. These increases significantly elevate borrowing costs for businesses and consumers alike. For an investment bank heavily involved in leveraged finance and complex debt instruments, this translates directly to increased risk. Macroeconomic headwinds are also intensifying. Persistent inflation, coupled with the lingering effects of supply chain disruptions, creates an environment of heightened uncertainty. This unpredictability makes it far more difficult for Goldman Sachs to accurately price risk and manage its extensive portfolio of assets. The economic landscape is simply becoming more treacherous. Beyond the immediate economic climate, Goldman Sachs' own risk management practices are under scrutiny. Historically, investment banks thrive on taking calculated risks. However, in a rapidly shifting market, the effectiveness of these traditional risk models can falter. Any miscalculation or underestimation of systemic risk could have cascading effects, not just within Goldman Sachs, but throughout the entire financial ecosystem. Think of it like a dam holding back immense pressure. If the underlying structure, in this case, robust risk management and stable market conditions, begins to weaken, a breach becomes a very real possibility. This isn't about predicting doom, but understanding the vulnerabilities inherent in such a complex and leveraged institution. The coming months will be crucial. By analyzing market trends, economic indicators, and the inherent risks within large financial institutions, we can better understand the potential challenges facing Goldman Sachs and the wider implications for the global economy.